Came down to Cincinnati to change the back of the RV.
We took a chance through sunshine and stormy weather. God had a plan, and now the world is our treasure. It's our blessed adventure. It's our blessed adventure.
Came down to Cincinnati to change the back of the RV. We are getting our motorcycle lift put on, which I'm seeing over here, I think, in this box. Yeah. Hydro lift. So we're not sure how long it's going to take for them to work on the lift. So we're probably here for a couple days. So we're going to venture out to a few things in Cincinnati. So we're off. I know today I want to go to Ikea. So we're going to go grab breakfast and head to Ikea.
It's you and me, it's you and me, it's me and you, a new time, a new season, trust God as He leads the way. Who knows where we'll go? Who knows where we'll go?
Pretty cool place. What do you think here so far?
I think it's pretty nice. Looks like a pretty neat place.
So we're pretty excited to check it out. I'm going to go up here and kind of check out some of the, looks like they got some treats over here we want to check out. So I definitely got to check this out. It's like some Belgian waffles to go you can get. Oh my gosh, look at these treats. Can we just take one of each? Look at this. Oh, wow. Jordan, you hooked this up to a neat place. Oh, really, really neat place. And they even make the Belgian waffles fresh right here in front of you. And today for Valentine's Day, they're fixing a special red velvet waffle that I was tempted to get. After finishing our wonderful breakfast, we're heading over here to Ikea. Haven't been here in a long, long time.
In 150 yards, please turn
And
left.
I think they might have some neat things for the new RV. I haven't even made it 5 minutes in the store, and look who's already found a relaxing spot on a couch. We spent about 3 hours in Ikea, found a couple things for the RV that we hope will work in there, and a couple other things we may be going back for. But we got back to the RV, and they had worked on starting to put on the lift, taking the hardware off from an old lift that the people had put on it. So they did get started on it, so we were happy about that. So they were closing, so we spent the rest of the evening and doing little things in the RV. So great first day here. Looking forward to seeing what they get done tomorrow. Up and out for the second day, headed to breakfast, and we stopped. Hold on. We stopped. We're stopping here to get some breakfast, and first thing we get out to go to the place, and we notice a very interesting front yard that I think that probably need to come back in the spring and summer to see what's going on with that. But instead of diners, drive-ins, and dives, we are doing
our nephew Jordan's top picks of Cincinnati. So yesterday we got a list and we went to the Taste of Belgium, which was fabulous.
Thank you, Jordan. That was awesome.
So here we are this morning. We're out and we're on our way to the new spot for today, the Sleepy Bee Cafe. So we're gonna go in and check out some breakfast and see how Jordan's list stacks up. So we'll give you a report shortly after we have breakfast, or maybe even while we're having breakfast. All right, see you later.
Awesome place. Awesome. Neat. You might have to zoom in to get it.
Yes.
Oh,
yes.
no.
This is the beginning of the journey.
Thank
Remember,
you.
this is.
Thank you. That was very, very nice. You didn't have to do that at all.
No, I wanted to. I'm telling you, you got to start it off right. You know.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much. I'm
Thank
going to
you.
cry.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much.
Have a great trip.
Thank you.
Congratulations
All right.
on retiring.
Thank
Giving
you.
us all hope we're still working.
Thank you.
That was so nice.
Give these guys a nice tip.
Aw. Like they said, there's still good people in the world.
Yeah, it is.
Wow.
Wow, very good.
That was an awesome, awesome place.
My buddy Steve is going to be in pancake heaven when he comes here. If you guys want pancakes, oh my goodness.
Delicious.
The buttermilk based pancakes are outstanding.
A lot of organic foods, a lot of unusual, great for vegetarian. Very, very delicious, delicious place. Awesome people.
Great atmosphere.
If you ever think there's not good people in the world anymore, there's still some good people in the world. And we really appreciate those people. Were awesome in there.
So we give a thumbs up to the Sleepy Bee Cafe.
Absolutely, a 12. Back today, and they're making headway. Little headway here. Well, I guess big headway in getting the lift done. How it felt. First started raining, and just hearing the creaking noise in here, it felt, you know, and like door closed and it started. Feeding pens for chickens is what we're figuring. It smells a little animal-y. Idea of how they probably store. headed up to deck 2. This is showing how they possibly lived in the park. Noah sending out the dog. Preparing to use the lift for the very first time, trying it out. Okay, here goes the first try of getting the motorcycle on the lift. Seems like it's going okay, but okay.
How's that?
Guess I might need to be. Do I need to do something?
Well, you need to help me get in line.
Yep. Stop and let me look over here. That's lined up. Yep. Good.
What about this?
You want to go around the back?
What I'm saying is that
this is how the lift goes up behind the motorhome. Seems pretty wild having the bike up there in the air like that.
We took a chance through sunshine and stormy weather. God had a plan, and now the world is our treasure. It's our plan.